Mabuhay! Kamusta ka? It's me, Rose, your instructor for Tagalog for Beginners. Let's get started. Ang nakaraan, we discussed the following lessons in Tagalog: greetings, manners, alphabets, numbers, dates, time, colors, meals, animals and insects, family, community, geography, seasons and weather, synonyms, antonyms, pronouns, prepositions, verbs, buying items, ordering food, transportation and direction, getting around town, and Filipino hospitality. For today's session, it's very exciting. Why? Because we are going to have our final exercises to recap everything that we tackled in this course. Ready? In lesson number 1, we learned pagbati. Let's have the following conversation. Reply in blue. Kumusta? Anong pangalan mo? Ako naman si Ana. Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Expected answers are the following, or mga sagot. Kumusta? Ayos lang. Ikaw? Ako si... Say your name. Ikaw. And then, you end it with, ikinagagalak din kitang makilala. Let's continue. Magandang umaga. Kumusta ka? Okay din ako. Mga sagot? Magandang umaga rin. Ayos ako. Ikaw? In this situation, you will ask to leave the conversation. Or, in Tagalog, magpapaalam ka umalis. How would you say it in Tagalog? Ang tamang sagot? Magpapaalam ka umalis. Sige, mauna na ako. And then the other person will say, paalam. In response, you can say, kita-kits. Lesson number 2, ugali or attitude. What expressions to use when making a request? A friend granted your request. What do you say? Someone thanked you in Tagalog. What do you say? Mga sagot. What expressions to use when making a request? Pakiusap or paki? A friend granted your request. What do you say? Salamat or maraming salamat. Someone thanked you in Tagalog. What do you say? Walang anuman. What do you say to welcome a non-Filipino friend in Tagalog? A friend is leaving in a few. What do you say to ask him to keep himself safe? What expressions to use to show respect to elders? Mga sagot. What do you say to welcome a non-Filipino friend in Tagalog? Mabuhay! A friend is leaving in a few. What do you say to ask him to keep himself safe? Ingat! What expressions to use to show respect to elders? Po at opo. It's the Pinoy gesture of touching the back of the hand of an elder lightly on one's forehead. How do you address an older sister? How do you address an older brother? Mga sagot. It's the Pinoy gesture of touching the back of the hand of an elder lightly on one's forehead. Mano, or we say, mano po. How do you address an older sister? Ate. How do you address an older brother? Kuya. For this exercise, make the following statements sound more polite. Makikiraan. Paumanhin. Pasensya ka na. Mga sagot. Makikiraan. Makikiraan po. Paumanhin. Paumanhin po. Pasensya ka na. Pasensya na po kayo. In lesson number 3, we learned the modern Filipino alphabet or ang makabagong alpabeto. For this exercise, kumpletuhin ang alpabetong Pilipino. Mga sagot. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, NG, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Next, lessons 4 and 5, we learned numbers or mga numero. For this exercise, say the following numbers in Tagalog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mga sagot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's have a different set of numbers. Say the following in Tagalog. 11, 13, 25, 37, 42, 59, 61, 74, 88, and 96. Mga sagot. 11, 13, 25, 37, 42, 49, 50, 61, 74, 88, at 96. To continue, we also learned the following: tens, 10, 11, 12, 20s, 20, 21, 22, 30s, 30, 31, 32, 40s, 40, 41, 42, 50s, 50, 51, 52. 60s, 60, 61, 62. 70s, 70, 71, 72. 80s, 80, 81, 82. At 90s, 90, 91, 92. For hundreds, say the following numbers in Tagalog: 111, 235, 368, 459, 504, 677, 846, and 969. Mga sagot: 111, 235, 368, 459, 504, 677, 846, at 969. Buod. So this is how we say numbers in Tagalog for hundreds up to thousands. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, at 1,000. Lesson 6, Pecha. From this lesson, we learned the following: mga buwan ng taon or months of the year. For this exercise, fill in the missing buwan or months. February, May, July, September, October, and December. Mga sagot: Pebrero for February, Mayo for May, Hulyo for July, Septiembre for September, Oktubre for October, and Disyembre for December. Mga araw sa isang linggo. What are the Tagalog words for Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday? Mga sagot: Lunes for Monday, Miyerkules for Wednesday, Huwebes for Thursday, Sabado for Saturday, at Linggo for Sunday. Say the following dates in Tagalog: February 14, December 30, October 17, 1980, July 23, 2017. Mga sagot: Pebrero 14 o ika-14 ng Pebrero, Disyembre 30 o ika-30 ng Disyembre, ika-17 ng Oktubre, 1980, ika-23 ng Hulyo, 2017. Fill in the blanks with Tagalog words that translate to the following expressions: tomorrow morning, day before yesterday, day after tomorrow, next week, last week, next month, next year, last year. What day? What month? What day is it today? Today is... When's your appointment? Can we talk tomorrow? Mga sagot. Bukas ng umaga. Kamakalawa. Sa susunod na linggo. Nakaraang linggo. Sa susunod na buwan. Sa susunod na taon. Nakaraang taon. Anong araw? Anong buwan? Anong araw ngayon? Ngayon ay... Kailan ang iyong appointment? Pwede ba tayong mag-usap bukas? Lesson 7. Oras or time. Fill in the blanks with Filipino or Tagalog words for the following: noon, afternoon, midnight, and middle of the night. Mga sagot. Tanghali, hapon, hating gabi, at madaling araw. How to tell time in Tagalog and Spanish-inspired way. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. In Tagalog way, we say ika-isa, ikalawa, ikatlo, ika-apat, ika-lima, ika-anim, ika-pito, ika-walo, ika-siyam, ika-sampu, ika-labing-isa, at ika-labing-dalawa. In Spanish-inspired way, we say alauna, alas dos, alas tres, alas cuatro, alas cinco, alas seis, alas siete, alas ocho, alas nueve, alas 10, alas 11, at alas 12. Next, fill in the blanks with time expressions in Tagalog. Soon, late, later, never, now, once, sometimes, and always. Mga sagot. Mamaya, sa madaling panahon, bago, maagang, huli na, mamaya, hindi kailanman, ngayon, isang beses, kadalasan, minsan, at palagi. Lesson 8. Kulay or color. Say the following colors in Tagalog: orange, black, white, gray, brown, violet, red, yellow, pink, green, and blue. Mga sagot. Kahel, itim, puti, kulay abo, kayumanggi, lila, pula, dilaw, rosas, berde, at asul. Anong kulay ito? Say the colors of the following items in Tagalog. Follow this template. Ang libro ay kulay. Ang mesa ay kulay. Ang lapis ay kulay. Ang papel ay kulay. Ang upuan ay kulay. Mga sagot. Ang libro ay kulay tsokolate o kayumanggi. Ang mesa ay kulay itim. Ang lapis ay kulay dilaw. Ang papel ay kulay berde. Ang upuan ay kulay asul. Lesson 9. Kainan or meal. Say the following words in Tagalog. Meal, eat, food, drink, hungry, full, thirsty, breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. Mga sagot. Kainan, kain, pagkain, inom, gutom, busog, uhaw, almusal, tanghalian, merienda, at hapunan. Say the following in Tagalog. Rice, viand, bread, egg, meat, fish, vegetable, garlic, onion, ginger, chili pepper, eggplant, pepper, and salt. Mga sagot. Kanin, ulam, tinapay, itlog, karne, isda, gulay, bawang, sibuyas, luya, sili, talong, paminta, at asin. Next, say the following in Tagalog. Fruit, apple, banana, tomato, mango, pineapple, strawberry, grapes, beverage, water, coffee, milk, tea, and sugar. Mga sagot. Prutas, mansanas, saging, kamatis, mangga, pinya, presa, ubas, inumin, tubig, kape, gatas, tsaa, at asukal. Lesson 10. Mga hayop at insekto. Animals and insects. Say the following words in Tagalog. Cat, dog, bird, horse, monkey, chicken, cow, goat, sheep, and carabao. Mga sagot. Pusa, aso, ibon, kabayo, unggoy, manok, baka, kambing, tupa, at kalabaw. Next, name the following insects in Tagalog. Housefly, mosquito, ant, butterfly, spider, and cockroach. Mga sagot. Langaw, lamok, langgam, paru-paro, gagamba, ipis. Let's start with lesson number 12. Pamilya. Identify the Tagalog words for the following. Family, parent, mother, father, spouse, wife, husband, stepmother, stepfather, child, daughter, son, sister, and brother. Mga sagot: pamilya, magulang, ina, ama, asawa, asawang babae, asawang lalaki, madrasta, amain, anak, anak na babae, anak na lalaki, kapatid na babae, at kapatid na lalaki. Next, identify the Tagalog words for the following: daughter-in-law, son-in-law, grandmother, grandfather, grandchild, aunt, uncle, cousin, niece, and nephew. Mga sagot: manugang na babae, manugang na lalaki, lola, lolo, apo, tiyahin, tiyuhin, pinsan, pamangkin na babae, at pamangkin na lalaki. Let's now go to lesson number 13. Pamayanan. Identify the Tagalog words for the following: priest, nun, doctor, nurse, teacher, student, farmer, fisherman, cop, baker, tailor, shoemaker, carpenter, firefighter, plumber, garbage collector, and storekeeper. Mga sagot: pari, madre, doktor, nurse, guro, mag-aaral, magsasaka, mangingisda, pulis, panadero, mananahi, sapatero, karpintero, bombero, tubero, basurero, at tendero. Up next, lesson number 14, Geograpía. Identify the Tagalog words for the following: geography, volcano, mountain, hill, forest, desert, falls, river, lake or bay, island, beach or sea, and ocean. Mga sagot: Geograpía, bulkan, bundok, burol, kagubatan, disyerto, talon, ilog, dagat-dagatan or debay, isla, dagat, at karagatan. Moving on, let's talk about lesson number 15, panahon. Identify the Tagalog words for the following: season, rainy, sunny, windy, cloudy, heavy rain, flood, typhoon, snow, drought, and drizzle. Mga sagot: panahon, maulan, maaraw, mahangin, maulap, malakas na ulan, baha, bagyo, niebe, tagtuyot, at ambon. Next, identify the Tagalog words for the following: spring, winter, summer, autumn, cold, hot, warm, and hot and humid. Mga sagot: tagsibol, taglamig, tag-init, taglagas, malamig, mainit, mainit-init, at maalinsangan. Lesson 17. Kasing kahulugan. For this exercise, give the synonymous words of the following words in Tagalog: ballpen, bathroom, science, book, mother, father, library, song, and blue. Ang mga sagot: pluma o ballpen, banyo o CR, agham o siyensya, aklat o libro, ina o nanay, ama o tatay, aklatan o library, awit o kanta, at bughaw o asul. Next, give the synonymous words in Tagalog of the following items: visit, wall, important, government, plate, handsome, voice, flag, and language. Mga sagot: dalaw o bisita, dingding o pader, mahalaga o importante, pamahalaan o gobyerno, plato o pinggan, pogi o gwapo, tinig o boses, watawat o bandila, at wika o lingwahe. Lesson 18. Magkasalungat. Give the Tagalog words of the following antonyms: first, last, good, bad, female, male, young, old, left, right, big, small, new, old, skinny, fat, pretty, ugly, and thick, thin. Mga sagot: una, huli, mabuti, masama, babae, lalaki, bata, matanda, kaliwa, kanan, malaki, maliit, bago, luma, payat, mataba, maganda, pangit, at makapal, manipis. Give the Tagalog words of the following antonyms: heavy, light, strong, weak, all, none, smooth, rough. Go up, come down. Backward, forward. Day, night. Sunny, rainy. Dry, wet. And alive, dead. Mga sagot: mabigat, magaan. Malakas, mahina. Lahat, wala. Makinis, magaspang. Akyat, baba. Atras, abante. Araw, gabi. Maaraw, maulan. Tuyo, basa. Buhay, patay. Here's our last set of words. Inside, outside. Open, closed. Friend, enemy. Noisy, quiet. Expensive, cheap. Near, far. Question, answer. Correct, incorrect. Win, lose. And easy, hard. Ang mga sagot: loob, labas. Bukas, sarado. Kaibigan, kaaway. Maingay, tahimik. Mahal, mura. Malapit, malayo. Tanong, sagot. Tama, mali. Panalo, talo. At mahirap, madali. Lesson 19. Panghalip. Identify the Tagalog words of the following pronouns. I, you in plural form. She or he. We and they. Ang mga sagot: ako, ikaw, kayo, siya, kami, at sila. Next, identify the Tagalog words of these pronouns. My or mine, your or yours, her, hers or his, our or ours, their or theirs, this, that, these, and those. Mga sagot: akin, iyo. Kanya, amin, sa kanila. Ito, iyon. Mga ito at mga iyon. Let's go to pang-ukol. Identify the Tagalog words of the following prepositions: above, under, before, after, in front of, behind, far from, and near. Ang mga sagot: sa itaas, sa ilalim, bago, pagkatapos, sa harap ng, sa likod ng, malayo sa, at malapit sa. Up next, in or inside, outside, with, without, about, between, and for. Ang mga sagot, sa or sa loob, sa labas, kasama, hindi kasama, tungkol sa pagitan ng, at para sa. Lessons 21 and 22. Pandiwa. Identify the Tagalog words of the following unconjugated verbs: to drive, to find, to give, to have, to know, to learn, to love, to play, to read, and to see. Ang mga sagot: magmaneho, maghanap, magbigay, magkaroon, alam, matuto, magmahal, maglaro, magbasa, at makita. Up next, to smile, to speak, to think, to understand, to work, to write, to walk, to run, to eat, and to sleep. Ang mga sagot: ngumiti, magsalita, mag-isip, maintindihan, magtrabaho, magsulat, maglakad, tumakbo, kumain, at matulog. Let's now go to the conjugated verbs in different tenses. First, the past tense. He understood me. My mom knew my friend. He wanted to learn. They worked here. And the kids spoke Tagalog. Ang mga sagot: naintindihan niya ako. Nakilala ng nanay ko ang kaibigan ko. Nagtrabaho sila rito. At ang bata ay nagsalita ng Tagalog. Lastly, in the future tense, he will understand me. My mom will know my friend. They will work here. And the kid will speak Tagalog. Ang mga sagot: maiintindihan niya ako. Makikilala ng nanay ko ang kaibigan ko. Magtatrabaho sila rito. At ang bata ay magsasalita ng Tagalog. Starting with Lesson 24. Pagbili. Identify the Tagalog words for these expressions: open, closed, I'm going shopping. Where's the shopping area? Can you help me? I'm just looking. Do you have? I like it. I don't like it. I will buy it. Ang mga sagot, bukas, sarado, ako ay magsha-shopping. Saan ang shopping area? Maaari mo ba akong tulungan? Tumitingin-tingin lang ako. Meron ka bang? Gusto ko ito. Ayoko nito. At bibilin ko to. Next, fill in the blanks with the Tagalog for the following items. Small, medium, large. I wear a size large. Do you have a larger size? Do you have a smaller size? Can you try it on? And where's the changing room? Mga sagot, maliit, katamtaman, malaki. Large ang sinusuot ko. Meron ka bang mas malaki rito? Meron ka bang mas maliit dito? Maaari ko bang subukan ito? At saan po ang changing room? Identify the Tagalog words for these expressions. This is too tight. It fits me well. I like this shirt. The color doesn't suit me. Do you have another color? Where can I find? Could you show me the... Mga sagot? Ito ay masyadong masikip. Tama ang sukat para sa akin. Gusto ko ang shirt na to. Ang kulay hindi bagay sa akin. Meron ka ba ibang kulay nito? Saan ako maaari makahanap ng... Pwede mo bang ipakita sa akin ang... Next, how much does it cost? It's too expensive. Do you have anything cheaper? Can you wrap it as a gift, please? I'm looking for... Can you hold it for me? I would like to exchange this. Defective. Can I return it? Ang mga sagot. Magkano ang halaga nito? Masyadong mahal. Meron ka bang mas mura? Maaari mo ba itong balutin bilang regalo, please? Naghahanap ako ng... Maaari mo bang hawakan para sa akin? Gusto kong magpapalit nito. Sira. Maaari ko bang ibalik ito? Moving on, Lesson 25. Pag-order ng pagkain. Fill in the blanks with Tagalog of the following expressions. We need a table for 4. May you see the menu? What do you recommend? What's included? What are today's specials? What would you like to eat? Can you pass me the salt? Ang mga sagot. Kailangan namin ng lamesa para sa 4. Maaari ko bang makita ang menu? Anong marekomenda mo? Ano ang kasama? Ano ang mga special ngayon? Ano ang gusto mong kainin? Pakiabot nga sa akin ang asin. Next, fill in the blanks with the Tagalog words of these items. Can you speak with the manager? That was delicious. It's sweet. Is it spicy? It's sour. The food is cold. This is burnt. And I need pepper. Ang mga sagot. Maaari ba ako mapag-usap sa manager? Masarap. Matamis. Manghang ba? Maasim. Ang pagkain ay malamig. Ito'y sunog. At kailangan ko ng paminta. Up next, the bill please. I am going to pay with cash. Do you accept credit cards? How much do I owe you? I need a receipt. Thanks for the good service. Ang mga sagot. Ang bill please. Magbabayad ako ng cash. Tumatanggap pa kayo ng credit card? Magkano ang dapat kong bayaran sa'yo? Kailangan ko ng resibo. Salamat sa mahusay na serbisyo. Lesson 26. Transportasyon at direksyon. Jeepney, car, bicycle, motorcycle, tricycle, taxi, bus, truck, train or subway, boat, ship, helicopter, and airplane. Here are the Tagalog words for these items. Jeep, kotse, bisikleta, motorsiklo, tricycle, taxi, bus, truck, tren, bangka, barko, helicopter, at eroplano. Directions: here, there, left, right, north, west, south, east, to the right, to the left, and straight ahead. Ang mga sagot: dito, doon, kaliwa, kanan, hilaga, kanluran, timog, silangan, sa kanan, sa kaliwa, at diretso lang. Next lesson is about paghingi at pagbigay ng direksyon. Where's the how to go to? How to get to? Is there an elevator? And where are the stairs? Ang mga sagot. San po ang? Paano po pumunta sa? Paano makakarating sa? Meron bang elevator dito? At nasa ang mga hagdan? Up next, she'll help you. Come with me. Just a moment. In front of, upstairs, around the corner. Ang mga sagot, tutulungan ka niya. Sumama ka sa akin. Sandali lang. Sa harap ng, sa taas, at sa may kanto. And lastly, Filipino hospitality or pakikutungo ng Pinoy. Fill in the blanks with the corresponding Tagalog terms or expressions for these items. Anyone home? Who is it? You may come in. Please come in. Take a seat. Let's eat. Thanks. I've just had a meal. Ang mga sagot. Tao po. Sino sila? Tuloy ka. Tuloy po kayo. Umupo ka muna. Kain tayo. At? Salamat, katatapos lang. Tagumpay! You did it! I am so proud of you. I hope you have learned the basics we went over and are ready to learn even more. Thank you so much for joining me in this course and I hope to see you in the next one. Hanggang sa muli!